What to do when your chainsaw won't start? Well, the three first things you want to check for are fuel, air, and spark. I took off the fuel cap, which is just a twist and pop, and I already fished out the fuel filter because takes a little bit of time to do. With some of these little hooks, you can pull them out, and you got it right here. This is a simple plug and play. You're looking for dirt or plugged filters. All you have to do is just pull this off and put the new one on. I recommend having that before you change them out so that you're not losing your hose in the fuel tank again, like that. Very easy to replace. The next one is air. Flip this over, pop the top off. You can see this is the dirty air filter. It should be changed out. A couple screws using your scrunch, and that's off of there. The third one is spark. You want to pop this off, check the spark plug. You can pull that off by using this scrunch, this end right here, putting it in there and popping it off, unscrewing it, and checking for browned out sections of the spark plug. And those are your three things that you want to check when your chainsaw won't start. This pretty much works on any kind of chainsaw, including this old 310. Thanks a lot.